Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Lake Monster Lures, and in this episode I'm going to be making an ice fishing jig. And no, it's not going to be this boring little ball head jig with a hook coming off the back end. I don't think that would be challenging enough, and I want to make it more interesting for you to watch. So I'm not even going to be making it out of wood, not even going to be making it out of lead. I'm going to be trying to make something out of clay. And I do want to make it more interesting, so a unique style is going to be more of like a spoon. It will have a rattle. That's the plan anyway. Make sure you hit a like and a subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much. Let's get into it. Ice fishing
by ourselves, without our mothers, no parent supervision.
It's like I'm your stepdad, though.
We should remake that intro, though.
Remake it?
Yeah.
is left. Interesting. Everything just left. Like it was lit up. I am thrilled, guys. That is definitely a victory. We caught that bass on the lure, and in some ways I would even say it's a confidence bait for me right now. I mean, I was catching some larger crappie as well on it, so definitely thrilled that I tried that one out, and I will be using it more in the future. Guys, make sure you check out lakemonsterlures.com. I now have shirts and other apparel available for purchase. I'd really appreciate it if you went and checked that out. And also like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our way here, man. The channel is growing, and I really appreciate that. We will see you on the next one. I'm trying to post once a week at least now, so make sure you're staying tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.